Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of speed and adrenaline, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of superbikes. Get ready as we count down the top 10 fastest superbikes in the world for 2024. These machines are not just about speed, they're a blend of engineering marvels and sheer power. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. Number 10. Ducati Panigale V4R. The Ducati Panigale V4R is an Italian masterpiece. With a top speed of 299 km/h, 186 mph. This bike is powered by a 998cc Desmosedici Stradale R engine, producing an astonishing 221 horsepower. The Panigale V4R is designed for those who crave performance and precision. Number 9. Yamaha YZF R1M. The Yamaha YZF R1M is a beast on the track, boasting a top speed of 300 km/h, 186 mph. Its 998cc inline-4 engine delivers 197 horsepower. The R1M features advanced electronic systems, including a quick shifter, slide control, and launch control, making it a favorite among professional riders. Number 8. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000RR is a German engineering marvel with a top speed of 303 km/h, 188 mph. Its 999cc inline-4 engine churns out 205 horsepower. The bike comes equipped with a plethora of electronic aids, including dynamic traction control and ABS Pro, ensuring a safe yet thrilling ride. Number 7. MV Agusta F4 RC. The MV Agusta F4 RC is an Italian superbike with a top speed of 305 km/h, 190 mph. Its 998cc inline-4 engine generates 212 horsepower. The F4 RC is a limited edition, with only 250 units produced, making it a rare gem in the superbike world. Number 6. Suzuki GSX R1000R. The Suzuki GSX R1000R, known as the Gixxer, reaches a top speed of 310 km/h, 193 mph. Its 999cc inline-4 engine delivers 199 horsepower. The GSX R1000R is celebrated for its agility and advanced features, like the bi-directional quick-shift system and motion track TCS. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R has a top speed of 312 km/h, 194 mph. Its 998cc inline-4 engine produces 203 horsepower. The Ninja ZX-10R is equipped with advanced electronics, including a 6-axis IMU, traction control, and launch control, making it a formidable contender on any track. Number 4. Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP. The Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP, with a top speed of 314 km/h, 195 mph, is a track-focused machine. Its 999cc inline-4 engine generates 214 horsepower. The Fireblade SP is renowned for its aerodynamic design and state-of-the-art electronic aids, including wheelie control and rear lift control. Number 3. Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory reaches a top speed of 317 km/h, 197 mph. Its 1017cc V4 engine produces 217 horsepower. The RSV4 1100 Factory is equipped with advanced electronics like the APRC system, which includes traction control, wheelie control, and launch control, making it a dream for any rider. Number 2. Ducati Superleggera V4. The Ducati Superleggera V4, with a top speed of 320 km/h, 199 mph, is the pinnacle of Ducati's engineering. Its 998cc Desmosedici Stradale R engine generates 224 horsepower. The Superleggera V4 is crafted with lightweight materials, including carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium, ensuring unmatched performance and agility. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. And the fastest superbike in the world for 2024 is the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, boasting a mind-blowing top speed of 400 km/h, 249 mph. Its 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine produces an incredible 310 horsepower. The H2R is a track-only monster, featuring aerodynamic winglets and a host of advanced electronic aids. This bike is the epitome of speed and power, making it the ultimate superbike. There you have it, folks, the top 10 fastest superbikes in the world for 2024. These machines are not just about speed, they're about pushing the boundaries of technology and engineering. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the adrenaline high.